Hi, this is Jeff from succeedwithjeff.com. What I want to do in this video is teach you how to create your own domain using Godaddy.com. It's a relatively simple process and it'll only take me a few minutes to show you. So the first thing you want to do is open up a browser. I'm going to use Internet Explorer in this video. You could use any of the browsers, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox. If you're on a Mac, you can use Safari. All of them work relatively close to the same way. So in the address bar, you want to go to GoDaddy.com. Pretty simple. Now what you want to do is you want to put in the name of the domain that you're looking to purchase in this box. So for me, I want to do trainwithjeff.com. And I'm going to search. And what it's telling me is that that domain is already taken. There are these domains that are available: trainwithjeff.info, trainwithjeff.org, and so on. You can see some of them that have very specific suffixes are a little more costly. I mean, if you want to spend the money for that, that's your business. Here they offer some other suggestions. So I like this one. So I'm just going to, I could click the select button here, but I want to show you what it looks like when you put it in the top. So what was it? It was teachwithjeff.com. Search again. We know that one's going to refer back. So it's $2.99 for the year. And this goes on sale every once in a while. GoDaddy will only charge you 99 cents or $1.99 for the domain. Here it's telling you if you want to bundle it and get these three suffixes as well, that they'll only charge you $17. I typically stick with the .com. So I select that and now I want to check out. So here, you choose on how long do you want this domain to be registered for. So if you choose 10 years, which is the highest amount that GoDaddy will let you do it at one time, it's $2.99 for the first year and then $14.99 for years 2 through 10. I typically will do 2 years to start. $2.99 the first year, $14.99 the second year, and then a year after that. So you can see for a total of $18.34, I could now own teachwithjeff.com for 2 years. You could choose 1 year. Now, if you choose 1 year, you don't get the 2-year discount, obviously, but you're still only paying $12.99. So I definitely think it's worth the savings to go with 2 years for the $18.34. Now what you might have to do is you might have to create an account if you don't have one, and I'm just going to show you what that screen looks like because I already have an account. But it's relatively simple. It's only, a few boxes. Here you would type in your address. Mine is I created one, train with Jeff L at gmail.com. You want to create your username. So that username's already been taken. So we're going to create, so it turns green. And now you want to do your password. In the black box below, it's the criteria that your password has to meet in order for it to be accepted. So mine was able to meet that criteria, and now you put in your call-in PIN number. So what they'll do is you ever have to call GoDaddy, they're going to ask for this PIN number. And then you create your account. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So now we got to put in our domain again. Because now we created an account. We should probably create the account first. So here, it's going to ask you if you want to protect your personal information as you're going to the checkout. What this actually means is if somebody was to go to the website whois.com and they type in your domain, you as the web administrator, all of your information is going to come up. So it'll have your name and your phone number and most likely your city. So if you want to hide that and make it private, you can do that for $8 a year. I typically do not do that. If you want to build a website with this domain, or if you want to get just hosting, you can do that for these extra costs. For this example, all I'm really doing is wanting to purchase that domain name, teachwithjeff.com. So I'm not going to check these boxes. And then finally, if you want to use email to that, so for example, if I wanted to have jeff@teachwithjeff.com, I would have to add email, which is $4 a month. Now, I'm not going to do it on this one, but I have done this in the past, and it's really useful because it's all online. And that's it. Now you can see we're back to this screen. So that's it. That's how you create your own domain. You can go to GoDaddy and you can type in a bunch of names to see if they're available until you find the one that you like the best, and then register it. Like I said, I typically stick with the .coms. I think it's something that most people are most familiar with. If you want to get into a specific niche, you can do that. But just remember they'll be a little more costly. And I think .com works just as well. So I hope this video was useful. And I look forward to doing another one with you soon. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.